Okay, welcome guys. Dito tayo more on, let's work on more of group policy. Yung review natin. So these are the, yung previous na mga ginawa natin. We'll try to do it again, but faster. Baga, review na lang. So, para ma-recall natin, I'm here on Windows Server 2012. 2019, sorry. So, gagawa ako ng mga ano natin. I'm gonna make here, eto, gawa ko ng folder natin. Let's say, gonna create yung sa scripts natin sa login. So, gawa ko dito ng script. So, i-share ko na. So, sa sharing, we already have the idea. But here, pag sa script natin, we don't want anyone to change this. The permission will put always is authenticated na. AUT, check name, authenticated user lang. And we don't need to edit this kasi wala naman silang gagawin dito. We just want them to view this. Walang changes sila na pwedeng gawin. And sa security is, okay lang yan, read. So that's all. And we need the script. Yun, copy. And then we're going to create a script here. Like, yung unang gagawin muna natin yung sa log off nga. Log off script. Let's see what ang pwedeng gawin natin. Yung save as natin as batch file. Ito yung most common. Pero, so, ang log that batch file. That batch. So, mas maganda is walang problema dun sa name, but much better put log off para alam natin yun. Para yung batch file for what reason or ano yung purpose. So we just put log off. So log off, and then we're going to close this, and I can delete this because I don't need this. So I need this one and then the log off. Remember, don't put enter. Ganun nyo lang, and then Control A, then copy. Control C. Hindi pwede enter kasi maglalagop yung system nyo. So that's it. We need only the network path. And then let's go to group policy. And we should have here like a user. Let's say, kailangan natin gumawa dito ng isang OU para ito sa mga deleted user. Deleted, let's say users na hindi natin sila dinidelete agad. If ever meron ba nag-resign sa company, let's say Andrew Gold. Let's say Andrew Gold on a deleted users just for this time. Kasi si Andrew nakalagi naman. Si Cindy Jacobs not yet hindi pa nakalagin. So I won't recommend sa deleted user. So si ano muna. Si Andrew Gold. So Andrew Gold, wait, nasan si deleted users? So ayun na si Andrew Gold. So sa deleted users organizational unit, if we're working with the group policy, kailangan natin pumunta sa GP. Diba? Group policy. And then let's create a policy. So, dito na tayo sa tools. And then, yung policy management. If lagi nyo itong ginagamit, let's put it, pin kaya natin. Let's pin it if possible. Ayaw. Okay, let's do pin this. Yeah, pin to taskbar. Pin to taskbar. So I'm gonna pin. All of them pin. Pin to taskbar. Pin. Okay na. So dito na. Saan ako maglalagay yan? I'm going to put in deleted users. I create ako ng policy. Log off. So, log off. Log off. Log off. Ibig sabihin, magla-log off yan. Kapag nag-login sila kasi deleted users, dapat di na kayo makalogin. So, I'm gonna edit now the script. Tingnan natin. So, policies. Let's see in policies. Yan sa script. Go to script. User pa rin tayo. Sa logon. This script will apply when we log on. So, upon logging on, i-verify niya to. So, we need to add and browse. Since browse natin, it should be a network lagi ha. So, I'm gonna put here and then, hindi ko na kailangan yung kasi maglalag off yung pag niran ko yun. So, yun lang. And then, click ko lang yan. So, pwedeng ganyan na or browse mo and then okay. Wala na akong kailangan lagay. Apply and then it's done. Now, if, ito lang muna. So, it doesn't mean na log off lang yung pwede. Pwede naman pag log on niya, meron kang mga, halimbawa, mga welcome message, pwede rin ganon. Magawin natin. But this time, yung deleted users lang. Gusto ko lang mag-log off when we log on. It says, gawa ka ng script when we log on. Ganon. Ito naman, thank you for logging. Pwedeng ganon yung script mo. You can do like that. So, marami tayong way na pwedeng mag-apply ng script. So, that's as for now. Yun muna ang deleted users. Let's see if makalagin pa si Andrew Gold. But before we going to do that, kailangan natin i-log out si Andrew Gold. Si Andrew Gold kasi nakalagin pa. Let's see, I'm gonna show you. Si Andrew Gold. So, pwedeng makalagin pa siya kasi nakalagin na siya eh. So, ganun. Nakita nyo? Hindi nag-apply. Kasi nga, nakalagin pa siya. Kailangan natin i-sign out. And then, let's try na after ng mag-sign out, dapat totally sign out. Para nakalock lang kasi yung computer. So, let's click this. Since we're using Windows 11, so let's do sign out. Complete sign out of Andrew Gold. Sign out. And then, we'll sign in. Just to check if yung script natin is working. Okay, now we're signing out. Actually, we're working as real time. Real time. I'm not posting any para makita niyo yung effect ng natin sa client computer. So, here we are. So, Andrew Gold, I'm going to sign in. Let's see kung okay na ba yon. Logging in. Hopefully, makalagin siya. So, it's checking. Dapat hindi siya pag-login niya, magla-log out. Pag-log on niya, magla-log out. So, dapat ganun. So, pag hindi nag-effect, ayun, nag-sign out. Kasi, if hindi nag-effect yun, I need to check the policy. If na-update na ba? Kumbaga, na-apply na ba sa group policy? Yung GP result R, that's the way to check. So far, successful yung ginawa natin. Andrew Gold, hindi siya nakalagin. When Andrew Gold sign in, na-log out na siya. So, that's the, natin dito. That's for the, natin. Basic sa group policy ng let's say we have something. I'm gonna get something here. So, what's this payment? I'm gonna create, let me check kung ano pwede kong gawin dito. I don't have anything. How to draw. Halimbawa, di ba, may ganyan. Meron ako Okta, ayan. Halimbawa, meron tayong ganyan. Okta guide. So, I'm going to copy this. Copy. Halimbawa, para sa user, meron tayong how to use this. We have a new product, sabihin natin, or new application. kailangan natin i-implement yun. How they can use this. So, user, hindi na sila magtatanong, nag-ask, pwede bang how to use that? Pwede tayong gumawa ng let's say, docs, document. Gusto natin, so meron tayong mga document and we want them to, let's say, para guide, sabihin natin, kung meron tayong apps, let's let them know how to use. Pwede nating isend to sa nila. Let's i-share natin na pag lagi nila nandun na sa desktop nila, we can do that. Let's see here sa sharing. Sharing pa rin, same ang gagawin natin. Just complete sharing permission, but not everyone. Authenticated user. So, authenticated lang, and then I'm okay on that. I don't need any further checking kasi i-ano ko lang naman to. Copy. And then, kailangan kong i-paste dito. Then, I need the network path. So, I want that. I'm going to Control A and then Control C pa rin. So, na-copy ko na. I already copied that. I need that. So, ganitong gagawin natin. So, let's go to Group Policy Management. So, let's say we are going to implement natin sa all user how to use this Okta. So, create GPO and link it here. So, control. So, what policy is that? Okta. Let's say Okta. This is how to use Okta. Okta. So, I'm gonna edit and apply natin to yung Okta na how to use. So far, dito pa rin siya sa Windows settings, files. Punta kayo dito sa files. So here, we're going to put new. So, create pa rin. And then source. This is the important, guys. Source, saan yung file. We can put it here. Yan. So, yan yung source. And sa destination, it will be something, saan natin ilalagay? Desktop. We can put like that. But we need a, directory. Directory, same sa review natin. Directory, let's go here and administrator desktop. So, this will be the directory. So, yan. So, kinuha ko lang yung directory. So, dapat sa C. Sa C ng user. Not sa C ng So, instead na administrator ang gagawin natin dito, we need to put a wildcard na lahat. Kung sino man mag-login. So, it will be %. And then, username. Yan. Username. So, yun na. Tapos yung pangalan ng file. What's the name? Okta Guide. So, copy ko lang muna to. Cancel ko lang yan. Pwede kong ganun. Okta Guide na lang. Copy. Okta Guide. So, nakita niyan. Yung source natin is yung sa server. Kaya network path. And then sa location is location ng so, sa drive tree ng user, tapos yung username, tapos sa desktop niya sa Okta. So, yun. So, apply natin. Let's see kung may So, green. So far, it's green. So, ang mangyari dito, pag lagi nila, nandun na yung Okta users. Guys. So, meron na yung PDF doon. So, they don't need to, how to use, sabi mo, it's already in your, desktop. Pwedeng ganun. Pag lagi nila nandun na. So, that's how to use that. And let's see kung nandun na nga. I'm gonna use Michael Sean or Cindy Jacobs kasi hindi pa siya nakakalagin. Let's say C Jacobs, and then password. So, pag lagi ni Cindy, nandito na lahat kung anong meron siya. Makikita natin. Meron siyang share drive. If ever, meron siyang F and folder, tsaka yung project drive. And if ever, member siya ng ng support, meron siya nun. And then, meron din siyang, what's that? Oh, nagbi-blink-blink. Ang galing ah. Meron siyang blinking-blinking something. So, it's first time logging in ni Cindy, kaya ganito yung computer niya. So, let's just wait. At least nakita nyo. So, meron na siyang ma-apply na lahat ng policy na kung anong. So, look at that. Look at that. Hindi ko nilagay yan ha. Look at that. So, yun ang reason doon. So, if you have any like text document, pwedeng ganun, or any XML or something, you can do that. So, lahat alam yun. You don't need to send each and every one. Pwede nyo apply. So, when they log in, meron sila doon kung anong gusto nung, kung anong kailangan. I don't want to open that, but that's it. Yun ang purpose natin. I can open, but that's a private. Okay? Ayoko lang ano. So, okay siya. Working siya. So, member siya ng support and then have access sa folder and project. So, that's it. Every policy, group policy is na-apply sa kanya. Let's say, what if you have like a settings na gusto na, let's say, if you want wallpaper na yan natin sa let's say sa user. If you have wallpaper, it's the same thing na kailangan natin. Let's go here. Gawa muna tayo ng folder na wallpaper. Wallpaper na gusto natin. Pwede yan. And then we can share properties. So I'm just showing you na you can do what you can do, guys. You can create a big folder and all all that you want, like documents, script, application in one folder so you can access. I'm just showing you here one by one so it will not be confusing because I want to share one by one. So sharing, it's the same thing. So not a big deal because they don't need to modify this. So remove everyone, only authenticated user. So let's say if you want this, that's all you need and you're done. No need for the, what do you call this? Something that you want to edit pa security. No need. It's only a read. So let me check. Let me check first. I'm going to download the wallpaper for the users that I want. The client, huh? Let me check first. I'm gonna pause this video and put the wallpaper inside this. And just copy and paste it. I'll pause the video for a moment. So now, andito na yung wallpaper. I'm going to, remember guys, pag nag-share kayo, need natin lagi yung network path. So if we're on a wallpaper, properties, and sharing, this is important. Yung wall path ng wallpaper and what's inside, which one you want to view. So let me copy this. This is wallpaper JPG. I'm gonna copy. Yung one ang kinopy ko. Let's see. What's the one? So I'll support you. So ito yan ha. So I'll support you dapat yung maging wallpaper niya. So let's try. Sa support, I'm gonna create a group policy. HP company. Sa support lang to ah. So if you are a support, Wall lang to. Wall. Support. Wait. Support wallpaper. So that's it. Okay. So I'm gonna edit. Edit. So let's see kung saan natin ilalagay. Win administrative template. Desktop. Desktop. So desktop wallpaper. This is it. So, tignan nyo mabuti kung saan ako. Nasa user tayo, but this time is administrative template, and then under desktop, and go to desktop, and desktop wallpaper. So, ang gagawin natin, we should enable first, and then wallpaper in location, and you want it to be center, fill, or stretch. I'm gonna fill it. Fill. Pifill niya lahat. So, if ever kasi na maliit lang yon, so, hindi siya hindi siya mafe-fill yung buong ano niya. Kung gano'n lang siya Kung stretch niya sa lahat. So, kung ano lang yun lang doon, yun nafe-fill niya. So, sa tile naman, maraming tile yan. So, let's do the ano lang. Fill. Just fill. And then, we'll do okay. And then, let's go to support team. Login sila. Or let's do the GP update force. And let's see if wallpaper will be changed. Since this is part of the support team, I just want to run the Cindy's CMD as usual yung ginagawa natin GP update force. So GP update force. So para mag-update, and if ever if hindi, we really need to sign out and log in. So hindi siya na So let's see. Wait a moment. So let's see if I'm gonna GP result or to check if that is already. So Okta folder wallpaper, it's already there. Ibig sabihin and I think we need just to sign out and sign in. Hindi siya kaya ng let's sign out. This is Cindy Jacobs, Cindy Jacobs team, anyone because it's already signed in, parang nakalock. So I'm gonna sign in again. So I should have Cindy should have that, let's say, wallpaper. So far I use fill. So ito yung nangyari. Let's check if I'm going to use edit policies, desktop. I just use fill. So let's do fit. Fit to the screen. I just do fill. Look at that guy. Look at that. Look at that. Wala yung something. Now I know. So tingnan niyo yun. I forgot that. Sorry. Forgot that. There should be 111. See? Hindi pala na-copy. So I didn't copy. I thought na-copy ko lahat. Oop. Hmm? Kasi dito sobra siya. Okay. I know now. And then, oh, why? Yan, 1 dapat. I need the 1. I thought, na-copy ko talaga siya. So, I just copied and then, let's go back and just put that. Kailangan kasama yung extension. I will fill, apply, and then let's see. Much better yung nakita natin yung reason. CMD. Kasi the yung policy is never it's there, but it can find the image too, so that's why it's blocked. So let's see, GP update and then force. So we'll see. Oh, update, but I need to sign out first to sign out, and then we'll see. Hopefully this time. Minsan you will find out na parang oh, it's difficult. Pero once you, alam mo yan, nagawa niyo yan is magiging kumpiyansa, no? Medyo magiging yun. That's it. So, you see that, it's okay. After changing, ah, yung na-fix natin yung problem ng extension or ng file name with the extension, we got it. So this is the support, what do you call this, wallpaper. So we already configured. So very kumbaga upfront. Sometimes GP update force won't work. Kailangan yun i-sign out talaga. So that's for the we can check other, if you want another, you can, at least for additional knowledge or ma-perfect nyo, you can do it like 3 times para ma-memorize nyo or maging madali na for you. So that's all for now. Hope you enjoy the group policy management. Some nakatulong sa inyo, and then another additional na-refresh yung skills natin. That's all for now. See you sa next video natin ng review natin. Bye-bye.